Chalkdust and Code, the classroom of 2040. In the year 2040, education in Greece, once rooted in chalkboards and textbooks, had undergone a quiet revolution. In the hillside town of Kalavrita, where stone buildings nestled against pine-covered slopes, an old primary school had been transformed into a learning nexus. Here, the scent of pine still drifted in through open windows, but inside, the walls pulsed with adaptive light panels and multisensory interfaces. Children arrived not by age group, but by project cluster, a fluid, ever-changing group tied together by curiosity and collaborative need. 12-year-old Danai, the daughter of a local olive farmer, arrived at school that morning wearing her hollow frame, a lightweight band that projected a transparent interface onto her visual field. She greeted ADA, her personalized AI companion, in Greek. Kalimera anda, ti kαινούριο σήμερα. Good morning, ADA. What's new today? Kalimera Danai, ο εγκέλαδος σου έχει αφήσει ένα μήνυμα. Good morning, Danai. Enceladus has left you a message. Enceladus was a synthetic mentor modeled after the pre-Socratic philosopher Anaximander, reimagined as a space exploration AI with a philosophical edge. Danai had been working on a project that combined ancient Greek cosmology with modern planetary science, tracing the historical imagination of the cosmos and comparing it with current AI-generated space models. That day, Danai's group was tasked with reconstructing the myth of Atlas as a dynamic planetary map. Using linguistic AI tools and cultural archives, they traced the concept of the cosmic burden from Hesiod to NASA's 21st century exoplanetary programs. Then they had to reimagine the myth through an ecological lens. What would Atlas represent in a world trying to survive climate collapse? Ms. Eleni, once a Greek language teacher at a Thessaloniki lyceum, was now the school's mythmaker in residence. She helped students translate metaphors into data stories. Under her guidance, the children created an interactive hologram of Atlas with shifting continents on his shoulders, each shaped by projections of AI-modeled climate risk. Elsewhere in the school, an older group was working on preserving endangered dialects of Greek using AI transcription. With the help of locals, they fed ancient songs and folktales into ADA's dialect engine, reviving vocabulary from Tsakonian and Pontic Greek. The Ministry of Education no longer issued static textbooks. Instead, it maintained Hellenikos, a living, crowd-curated AI curriculum that drew from history, philosophy, and emerging science. Lessons adapted to learners' interests, but always anchored in Greece's intellectual traditions. The legacy of Plato's Academy and Aristotle's Lyceum had found strange, beautiful continuity. Just as the ancients gathered under olive trees to ask what it meant to live a good life, Danai and her peers now stood under digital olive branches, asking ADA not just for answers, but for better questions. And when Danai asked, "What's our responsibility to the future?" ADA replied, in a tone that echoed both ancient wisdom and modern resolve. Santon Promethea, με φλόγα και σκέψη. Ας αρχίσουμε. Like Prometheus with fire and thought. Let's begin.